Hi everyone, it's me, your girl, JeRmY Junior in the house, yeah, boy. Today we're gonna play doors, and I know and we're gonna play one player because I'm lonely. Where we hit seven. Okay, let's just play. So this is one time I reached level 37, but I cannot beat it. So we're gonna try. Gonna try to beat it. I'm gonna try to go to level 50. Or level 100, yeah. And if I die once, if I die only once, I have to end the video. So have hope on me. So now we're gonna have the key. I feel like the first 10 levels are like easy. Yeah, I feel like they're easy. Also, I hate Screech. No, I literally hate Screech. He always like if I'm in a dark room, I have to look everywhere around, up and down, right, left, do a 360 in the air. I have no idea. Like I literally hate Screech. Well, Rush, it's fine, you just go now. He doesn't really come that often, only if there's the lights flickers. But I never got, and so yeah. I'm watching Darman right now. Like it's very fun how I watch Doorman when I have to take where I'm in my grandma's house. So if my voice cuts, it's because some of my cousins called me or my grandma called me. So yep. So we're already on door turn. It's like very easy. And now Rush is coming. I don't know why he's like the reason no one wants always hides in the closet. They don't want to see his face. That's why Rush gets no girlfriends or boyfriends. I don't know if he's a boy or a girl. So that's why he doesn't get any G GBFs. I have no idea. Well, like I feel like everyone on like doors has to check the closet, like the wardrobes or like the to see if there's any coins or any lighters. Like I get it, but it's kind of like doing the video up, what I mean? So it's kind of getting boring. So maybe I'm just gonna speed it up for a little bit. So I'm gonna just speed it up. Okay, I just speed it up a little bit. I don't know why, but maybe on the later moments I'm gonna speed it up more because I cannot find a key. Because I have no idea, but I feel like it's hard to find keys when there's like so many doors. Like I don't know why. Wait, that's why it's called doors. Because there's so many doors. Okay, I don't know why I'm thinking. Why am I not just knowing about this? Because it's that's why it's called doors. I don't know why I'm not thinking about this. So so I feel like people missed my JeRmY Junior voice from Muskin Buds. I know I'm not really posting that much, so oh no, Rush is coming here again. I don't know why, but whenever I have a stuffed nose, I cannot speak. Like I have to go. It's very nauseous. It's very like I hate it. I feel like this is the funnest level. I love this level. I love level. I forgot what level it was. I know I said now. I really love this level. It's like so easy. It's also kind of like funny. Like those puzzles that you have to put the right shape in. Yeah, like those puzzles, and then they get harder and harder. Yeah, I love those. I love those puzzles. They're like my favorite when I was a child. Even now, but I don't really play them. Oh no, this is the level I'm gonna not speak. Oh my. Okay, let's try to find the key. If I take a little long, I'm just gonna speed it up because like I don't know. Oh, I think I have to speed it up. I have no idea actually because it's like the first time. Not really the first time, but the first time when there's so many doors and I don't even know where the key is. I think I have to speed it. I can't. I'm not. I think I have to speed it. No, actually, I have to speed it. I have to speed it. Okay, guys. Okay, let's just see if this is. It's not because I know it's always on the first two last doors that they're next to the. Oh no, I'm just gonna speed it up. Wait. After all these years, I finally found the key. I can't believe that I was so blind not to see. Like I told you, it's always on the last two doors. Two doors. Always it's the last two doors. Like literally. So I hate it. I don't know how I did not see it because I was like, I saw it. I know I saw it because I feel like because I slowed it down. I don't know. Like I literally, I thought I saw it. Because I saw like a little pointy thing. I thought it was just a bed, like the bed was poking out, like someone just having some pointy, sharp thing in it. So yeah, like I literally hate it. If this is not the same level as that, I don't know. Please don't. I don't want it to be the same level because I'm gonna be laughed at. You know, because I know I'm stupid. I literally didn't see it. Like no one can see it. I think there's like the level that you have to check the wardrobes because sometimes they hide it, you know. Sometimes they hide it. Yeah, I think see, sometimes they even hide it in the wardrobes because maybe you don't want to see it. Like you're like, I'm too cool for this. I'm not gonna see it. That's why you have to see it. I feel like the last time I said like, no, why people say, oh no, I hate the dark rooms. Let's hope. No, I think Screech does not go to like these dark rooms, like so dark. I think like very dark, you know, like rooms that you can't even see. Oh, here's the lever. Yeah, lever. See, oh no, eyes. Eyes. I hate eyes. Why do they have to appear? But at least I'm gonna get the badge. Oh no, I hate it. I have no luck to look. Oh no. Yes, at least I was out. I literally hate it. Oh, this was easy. Oh no, I don't know why. I feel like I don't know why, but sometimes they just flicker on you. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Sometimes they just flicker on you, and the rush doesn't come. And then when you get out, he comes. But sometimes he doesn't even come. Like it's just from rain. And oh no, I hate this level. No, I know Screech is gonna be here. No. No, I have to look up right there. Oh my god, that like you don't like literally. Oh no, now I have to look up, down, right, left. I'm not gonna look up. I think I have to look up. No, I hate this level. I hate it. I literally hate it. Oh my god, I hate it. I hate it. Where Screech? Literally, Screech is somewhere. Oh my god, I look. Literally, I hate it. Like, why? This door is I think this level is not usually dark. It's usually not that dark. Well, it's actually not that dark usually. It's not that dark. God, I actually have the lights right now. Like, it's not that dark always. It's not that dark. Okay, wait. I think there is a door. If it was a door. Yeah, I don't have to look up. Oh, wait. I saw a door. I literally saw it. I literally just saw a door. Oh, yeah, I saw the door. Don't know why I'm looking up right left. Yeah, this creature. Yeah, there's a door. Oh, yeah, that was open. Oh my god, Timothy, I don't know why I encountered it. Like I did not see it first, and then I saw it. Oh, I have a light finally. I finally have a light. I think I'm gonna run out actually. At least I have a light. And now I ran out of the light. I ran out. Yeah, sadly I ran out. Why did that thing just fall down? I wasn't even touching it. Sorry for my grandma is talking in the background. Yep, sorry. Oh, wait. Is this where Rush comes? I don't hear anything. Wait, that's, we're not sure. But, what? Like, I just hate these these levels. I hate when it doesn't. No, I seek side. No. Now I'm wearing like counter seek. Oh no, there's more eyes. There is literally more eyes. I hate eyes. When you get when you get a question, wrong in class, and then everyone looks at you. Yeah, that's the feeling. Well, that's literally the feeling when you get something wrong, and like everyone looks at you. Oh no, not rush. I'm gonna lose at this. I'm literally gonna lose. I'm horrible at this. Okay. No. I really love the song. Like, it's very scary, but then it's a very fun. Oh no. I'm stupid. Go. I'm horrible at this level. Go. No, wait. Let's go. No. That was the wrong side. Oh my god. Now I have to end the video here. Sorry guys. Maybe I'm gonna do a part 2. I have no idea. So actually, thank you for being here. Please like and subscribe to anything you want. I'm not forcing you. I don't know why this is on Italian. So thank you so much for this. So bye guys. JeRmY out.
Like white, green or black, sure I've done that. If you're all